Hey guys, welcome back to our... Girl, I thought we discussed that I was going to be the one doing the intro. But you know what? I thought about it. I look more presentable, so... Really? Really? Yeah, you're right. That's kind of bogus. Go ahead, girl. Do your thing. Oh, okay. Thanks. So yes, guys, if you want to see how we went from this to this, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keke and I'm a professional makeup artist, but in today's video we'll be focusing on hair. As you can see, I have this amazing install. It is 32 inches. It is not a drawstring. It's actually synthetic as well. I got it for less than 20 bucks. So if you want to see how in fact I installed it, keep on watching. Okay, to start off, I wanted to show how luscious and full this comes, along with the back side so you guys can understand exactly how this works. That part wraps around your ponytail and this part extends out and wraps around the base. And it does come with a mini pin to pin. And these are all the products that I use, which will be listed in the description box below. And one of the products I got for free with this amazing program called SUPERGREAT. So if you guys want to join and also earn free products, make sure to check out the link below so you too can get free goodies. But yeah, that's everything that I use, and let's get started by parting my hair. So right now I'm just parting my hair in sections, and I'm taking the gel that I use. This is optional, by the way, and I'm distributing the gel in between each section. So this just allows for the hair to be as flat as possible because my hair was more in a like blown out semi flat iron state, which I prefer anyway. But because I was doing a sleek style and the texture of the phony pony was more like sleek and not as blown out as my natural hair, I wanted it to look as flat as possible. So based on personal preference, do what's best for you, and let's move on to styling. Start shaping this in the desired style, whether you want there to be no swoop or a little bit of a swoop. And then same thing with this last section here. Now that I have everything tied up and kind of how I want to swoop my hair, I'm gonna take this to the side and kind of hold my hand here to just shape it out. And then that way I can tie it. So yeah, let's take some hairspray because I have a lot of flyaways, really due to breakage. So I'm just gonna spray this. And then we're going to brush everything down. Oh, and I took out some sideburns. I just took like a comb like this and just poked it out. This feels pretty secure. I'm gonna spray a little bit on this side, but kind of keep my hand here to shape out this part. Now let's style out baby hairs. What I like to do when I do my baby hairs is take a little bit of the gel, edge control, whatever you want to call it, and then comb it off of the back of my hand so I have less product on the brush, and then brush it into the hair. Again, this is personal preference, so do what's best and most comfortable for you. Okay, so now I'm going to braid my natural hair so it will be as discreet as possible underneath the phony ponytail. And then I'm gonna take this small little mini rubber band to protect my hair and just secure the bottom. And I'm doing it where I'm kind of like bringing it down so it's elongated, if that makes sense. And voila. Okay, let's now install this phony pony. We're going to take that pin that's at the very end and securely place it at the base of your natural ponytail. And as you start wrapping that around, hold it pretty tight, meanwhile pinning it. Over time, I've realized using these extra pins kind of holds it more securely so it doesn't loosen up at the base. And then that extended piece that you see here, we're going to start to evenly wrap that around, meanwhile tugging it as well in a tight, secure way. And then the end piece, we're going to use that bobby pin and right underneath, discreetly tuck it away. And I was just kind of feeling it out just to make sure everything was good, and kind of combing out the hair so it's all straight and it doesn't look tangled, and it looks evenly grown out from that base, so it just looks nice and natural. Okay guys, so off camera I just went ahead and verified that everything was good and there weren't any tracks showing. I did have some complications on this bottom part, so I just kind of pulled this down a little bit to cover it. However, I love how it turned out. It's so freaking cute. There you guys have it. That pretty much wraps up this look. I'm quite obsessed. It is freaking amazing. I can't wait to go purchase the Yaki version, although I have one of another brand, so I'm gonna wait for that one to get raggedy first before I go ahead and knock that one out. But in the meantime, let me know how you feel about this. Do you have any other techniques to kind of master phony ponies? Any other brands I should know about? Please let me know in the comments below, because this is one of my signature styles, especially when I'm short on time or when I'm just lazy with doing my hair. Usually I'll wear it natural, but because I had it straightened, I figured I can also knock that out as well too. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I hope you have an amazing, blessed, productive day. And don't forget to flaunt your faith and fight your flesh. Until next time, see you guys. Mwah.